Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drones for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Fimi X8 SE 2022 V2 Foldable 4K Camera Drone. Fimi is a popular alternative to DJI drones, offering similar features at a friendly price point. The X8 SE has a fantastic camera to rival DJI's Mini 3 Pro, at a few $100s less. Most noteworthy, however, is its ability to withstand the elements. The X8 SE can fly in winds of up to 46 miles per hour. This drone is capable of shooting 4K UHD footage at 30 fps or 2.7K at 60 fps. It comes with an adaptable controller, which attaches directly to a smartphone for easy piloting. Additional safety features, like a return home mode and no-fly zone protection, help you safely maneuver your aircraft. Nice. A down camera to help with precision landing. Moving on at number 4, we have the Fimi X8 Mini Foldable Drone. This tiny, foldable quadcopter is an alternative to DJI's Mini 2, weighing an ultralight 245 grams and fitting in your palm. This small device can fly for 31 minutes and shoot 4K HDR video with its 12MP camera, capturing 4K footage at 30 frames per second. It also has a few filming modes such as smart tracking, which automatically locks onto a target, and time-lapse. The remote plugs right into your smartphone. A stable flyer, even in winds of up to 24 miles per hour, this little device is a solid beginner's drone that's also frequently recommended by folks on Reddit. At number 3, we have the DJI Avata Fly Smart Combo Drone. Be warned, you should pass on the Avata if you find VR nauseating. But if you don't, it's an immersive way to fly, thanks to a pair of included VR goggles that allows you to view the drone's flight on a live HD feed. Its controller is a flight stick similar to a Nintendo Wii controller and has squeezable triggers to propel forward. Smooth 4K video transmits directly to DJI's VR goggles. Of course, you can also record video in full 4K at 60 fps for posterity. Also keep in mind that the Avata can't fly for as long as other DJI drones, 18 minutes, and its weight requires you register it. At number 2, we have the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. One of Potensic's new models, the Atom SE is a direct competitor to DJI's Mini 2, though loaded with extras while still being great for a beginner. It comes with its own carrying case and an additional battery, which gives this drone roughly 1 hour of flight time, granted you land the machine to swap batteries. This tiny device is equipped with a 4K HD camera with stabilization tech to help the 12MP photos and 4K, 30 fps footage come out clear. It also has a control system with 3 modes, including video, normal, and sport, and plenty of tracking modes. A GPS-assisted return home button sets the drone to fly back to you in case of emergencies. And finally at number 1, we have the Ryze Tello Mini Drone Quadcopter UAV. This value-forward drone only costs $100, and it's reliable, easy to operate, and incredibly lightweight. A favorite of Reddit and many tech critics, the Tello has a surprisingly stable camera and can perform aerial tricks with the tap of a button via an app. This little drone captures HD footage in 720p and quality photos with its 5MP camera. Reviewers also say this unit is great for children who would like to learn how to fly. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.